Dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss about age-wise population in India first of all. So what is age-wise population? Age-wise population in India refers to the classification of population in different age groups. That means the total population when it is being classified on the basis of different age groups, then such a classification is said to be age-wise classification of population. For example, percentage of population in the age group of 0 to 14. As we know that 0 to 14 is a non-working age group, so how much of the population out of the total population belongs to this age group? This type of classification is said to be age-wise population. It helps in understanding aspects like working and non-working age groups. So just like in example 0 to 14, that means this is the population which belongs to non-working age group. So this kind of classification helps us to find out the working as well as non-working age group. Talking about rural and urban population in India. So number of people living in rural areas and number of people living in urban areas constitutes the proportion of rural and urban population. That means out of total population, how much of the population belongs to rural areas and how much of the population belongs to urban areas. This kind of classification itself is said to be rural and urban population in India. Now there are various factors which influences this urban and rural population, like employment opportunities, education, health, and so on. In order to understand this concept better, table has been given over here regarding rural and urban population in India. So in the recent years, as it can be seen from over here, that the urban population out of the total population is continuously increasing, and with this increase in population, especially in urban areas, there are also various problems being faced by urban population, like the problem of dirt, squalor. Also due to an increase in hutments, mainly these problems are being faced. Also the local administrative bodies have proved to be a failure in providing basic facilities to the population living in urban areas, like electricity, transportation, water, and so on. Now due to improper waste management in urban areas, pollution has also increased. And when there is lack of opportunities in urban areas, so social evils like crime, theft, loot, etc. have also increased. In 1901, the rural population was 21.2 crores, which has now increased to 83.02 crores in 2011. But if we talk about percentage of rural population, then there has been a fall in percentage of rural population. This is mainly because of lack of employment opportunities, and also due to disguised unemployment which has been found, especially in the agriculture sector in rural areas. Due to all this, there has been a large scale of migration of people from rural areas to urban areas. Lastly, urban population was 2.6 crores in 1901, which rose to 38 crores in 2011. That means in every decade there is a percentage increase in urban population. This is because of, again, availability of various facilities in urban areas like water, transportation, electricity, education, health services, and so on. Many people have also migrated from rural areas to urban areas due to abolition of zamindari system as well as control of money lenders on business. Thank you, students.